Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today, I'm really excited to show this Shargeek battery. It's a 93.5 watt hour cool see-through battery. So you can see the cells right here. It's a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. We're gonna have all the details in the description below. And then here's the screen on the top, and we'll show you how that works in just a moment. And then here's the other side with the other cells. See through right there. And there's the bottom. And here is some charging info. Again, this info you can pause to read now, or it will be in the description below. But what we really want to show you are the charging options with this battery. So you have DC in and out for those devices that use DC plugs. You have USB-C in and out, so you can charge this whole battery with a very fast USB-C charger. This has USB-A out, and we'll get to all of the details on what these ports have to offer. And then you have a USB-C 2 out as well. These can do 100 watts out of these ports there. Okay, so now we'll get to the screen. So we'll focus on the screen. So get to a different screen on here. You just hold the button down. Okay, and you have all of these options. So this first one shows you DC output, and you can change this depending on what you need. And there is battery info, so you can see all of the details. Has 100% battery life right there with the cells. And you can set the temperature gauge to be either Celsius or Fahrenheit, depending on what you want. You can set a timer on here as well. You can set up display sleep, timing info, and what it shows you on the screen. And then this, you can turn off the battery if you want. And then to exit out, you just tap one more time, and you can go through it again, or it's a long press at the end, and it goes back to the main screen. So you can see everything that's happening with the battery right there. Of course, these ports are what you're going to use most with your computer, probably the USB-C here or this one. And then if you have smaller devices, you can use this port. We like the see-through design of this cool battery. Now this is metal on this end as well as this end. And then it comes with a yellow high visibility USB-C to USB-C cable right there, and a travel pack with a small item here on what it does and how it works. So that's nice, the user manual, but it's pretty easy with this one button and this one screen with just a few ports. Here's some other info about charging right here, and of course this will be in the description below, but you can pause it and read it at any time. You can get this now from Shargeek is available. I really recommend this battery. I've used this a few times already, and I like that it has a 100 watt output from the USB-C port. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.